Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Jacquiline Marshall and me go give you the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, let me give you the headline them. Tax Administration Jamaica, TAJ, said them a work with the Ministry for Health and Wellness for keep one vaccination drive at them Constant Spring office this Friday. Some tests were Dr. do on the dead body for Constable Orlando Irons and Dr. Kevin Smith, who did at the pastor for Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries, shows them dead from the liquid them body get in the accident to go on the Linstead Bypass in St. Catherine. Dr. Jacquiline Bisasor-McKenize, was the country chief medical officer, so 1/4 wave of the coronavirus can still hit the country, although them give out over 1 million doses of the vaccine. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Tax Administration Jamaica, TAJ, so them work with the Ministry for Health and Wellness and keep one vaccination drive at them Constant Spring office this Friday. It will start 9 in the morning. This means that people who work at the TAJ, them family members, and everybody else can come out and get them first and second dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine, the single dose of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, and uncle the second dose of the Pfizer vaccine. The TAJ said them join the other company them where try get people to take them vaccine because what year them do one family day vaccination blitz at them office them where they in the corporate area and the one them where they in a Portmore and St. Catherine. Some tests were Dr. do on the dead body for Constable Orlando Irons and Dr. Kevin Smith, who the pastor for Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries, shows that them dead from the leak where them body get in the accident were going upon the Linstead Bypass in St. Catherine. Constable Irons and Dr. Smith dead after the car where them did involved in a 3-vehicle accident. 2 police officers get hurt in the crash too, and some firemen did have to cut them out of the vehicle. The police did a car Smith go Kingston when the crash go on. Dr. Jacquiline Bisasor-McKenize, who the country chief medical officer, said 1/4 wave of the coronavirus can still hit the country, although them give out over 1 million doses of the vaccine. According to Dr. McKenize, the virus always spread more in the Christmas season, and 20% of the people who age between 80 to 89 get at least 1 dose of the vaccine, and this not good enough. Plus, she said more people who age 60 and over need to come take the vaccine to make sure so the amount of people who in a hospital no go up. She said she have begged people to come take the vaccine because this is the only way to fight against the virus. The police are reported them lock up 2 people, them find 2 guns and them hold on 3 vehicles in our operation we do in a St. Andrew yesterday. According to the police report, some police from the Constant Spring police station and the Metro Quick Response Unit search some house in a Richard Lane, Kingston 8. Them searched 6 houses, 2 cars, and 13 people. On top of that, the police said them hold on one grey 2010 Toyota Premio, a white Mark X, and a blue Honda CRV. 1 bike man dead Sunday after him crashed on the Hampton Court Main Road in a St. Thomas. The man was dead at 26 years old O'Shane Richards. According to the police report, around 9:30 in the morning, Richards did a riding bike in the Hampton Court Meadows when he crashed in a 1 car. Them say him did hurt bad on the spot, and people rushed him to the Princess Margaret Hospital where doctors say him dead. Now for sports. Elaine Thompson-Era, who the double Olympic sprint champion, win the NACAC Female Athlete of the Year. Them said this Sunday gone. She did win the 100 meter in our Olympic record time at 10.61 and the 200 meter in our national record at 21.53 seconds. People, remember the curfew of from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Jacquiline Marshall and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.